Over 375 million people ride roller coasters every year, and every single one of them feels exactly the same thing at the top of that first drop. That sudden lurch in the chest, that hollow sinking feeling deep in the gut, that split second where your body is absolutely certain something has gone terribly wrong. Your stomach does not actually drop. That is the first thing to understand. What you feel is something far more interesting. Here is what is actually happening. Your organs are not fixed rigidly in place. They sit loosely inside your body, held by soft connective tissue, and they respond to the forces of movement just like everything else around you. Under normal conditions, your organs are constantly pressing downward due to gravity, and your body has learned to expect this. Your brain has built a precise internal model of what your organs should feel like at all times. When you go over the peak of a roller coaster or the crest of a hill at speed, your body enters a brief state called free fall. The car drops faster than gravity alone would pull your unsupported body. For a fraction of a second, your organs are essentially weightless. They do not actually move upward, but relative to the rest of your body, which is being pulled down by the seat, your organs experience a sudden reduction in the downward pressure your brain expects them to feel. Your brain detects this mismatch instantly. The expected pressure signals from your stomach, intestines, and surrounding tissue suddenly drop. Your brain interprets this reduction in pressure as your organs floating or rising, when in reality, everything is still moving downward together. It is a sensory illusion produced by your brain comparing what it expected to feel against what it is actually receiving. This triggers your vagus nerve, which runs from your brainstem through your chest and abdomen, monitoring your internal organ state continuously. When the vagus nerve detects the sudden shift, it sends a rapid signal that your brain interprets as distress. Your heart rate briefly spikes, your adrenaline rises, and you experience that hollow, sick lurch in your core. The sensation also activates the same neural circuits associated with genuine falling. Your amygdala fires a brief threat signal before your cortex can override it with the knowledge that you are safely strapped in. That is why even experienced riders who know exactly what is coming still feel the drop every single time. The emotional response fires faster than rational thought. And here is the fascinating part. The brain learns to associate that sensation with the reward of the ride. The brief fear response, followed immediately by safety, creates a dopamine release. Your brain starts to crave the drop, which is why roller coasters are one of the most universally appealing human experiences across every culture on Earth. If your body is doing something strange and nobody has ever properly explained it, that is exactly what this channel is for. Subscribe, hit hype, and check out our full body science playlist. What is the scariest drop you have ever ridden? Drop it in the comments.